Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So winter is here and it was quite boring without doing anything outside. So I want to try this trick. I've seen many times many people doing. So I want to try it by myself. So I just tried. It was just awesome. So if you want to try the same experiment with your kids, so wait for the right temperature. So the temperature should be at least a minimum of minus 20 degrees and you have to have the boiling water. Don't worry, the boiling water is not going to hurt you because outside the temperature is already freezing cold. So when you throw the boiling water in the air, it's going to turn into instant water vapor and it forms like a cloud. So the temperature now is minus 35 degree and I've got some boiling water inside the thermo flask. So let's try it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.